Croeso pawb. Heddiw, ni'n mynd I bod yn chwarae gêm o enw The Fear Assessment. Ooh. Apparently mae'n mynd I test o fear fi? Let's gweld. Warning. This test contains materials that may be harmful or traumatizing to some audiences. It also may include visual effects that may harm the viewer. Please proceed with caution. Okay. Cerddoriaeth neis. Oh. The Fear Assessment is a specialized test developed and implemented by government agencies to collect data on psychological torture techniques and their impact on individuals. It serves as an essential tool in understanding the effects of fear-based manipulation. This test uses your webcam. Uh-oh. In order to follow the test to its full extent, you must follow these 6 rules. Leave all doors in sight wide open. Oh. And make sure you are alone. Turn off all lights. Follow all instructions. Stay focused on the test. Have a light on your face. Okay, I'm gonna agor y drysau te. Fi nôl. Okay. Agor y drysau a troi y golau manteg. Already, mae'n gwneud fi'n teimlo a bit like, oh, fi'n hoffi, like, methu gweld lawr fan y drwy'r drws. Okay, I'm going to light in your face. Look any spotlight, and underneath when basically like a Pixar lamp, interrogation lamp. Tell me where the drugs are. Hold on. Oh, hold on, recall. Ah! Right, I'm going to run alarm. Just the lay of a green apple. There we go. Oh. Mae'r gêm hyn eitha... Mae'n... uwch hefyd. Rwy'n ddim hoffi'r gwynebau yma. Just like... edrych arna. Okay, let's dechrau te. Mae'r white noise hefyd yn... eitha disconcerting. Oh, level 1. Click on the faces. Oh. Hwna un. Hwna un. Ydy hwnna edrych fel sgerbyd. Oh. Ddim hoffi sut rwy'n gallu gweld gwynebau yn... Oh! Jazz hands. Jazz hands! Ascending. Oh. Mae rhywbeth am gwynebau sy'n just like... If hwnna, rhywun ar cross? Level 1 complete. Yesy! Yeah, mae rhywbeth just ar gwynebau sy'n cael... You know, like smile... unnaturally large. 10 seconds. Uh-oh. Okay. Come on, level 2, let's go. Find the levels, man. Question and answer. Do you ever feel like you're being watched? Right, weithiau, yeah. Ti'n cael like a teimlad ar cefnych gyfwg. Have you ever heard a voice call your name but no one was there? Yeah, rwy wedi. Mae'n weird. Sa'n hoffi hwnna, ond... No. Oh, hello. Either hill. If a figure was to appear from the corner of your room, would you scream, cry, pray, or run? We can make sure un a dau, remember? Yeah. If I'm like option, I'm fight over. Have you thought about being tortured to death? I guess, yeah. Ydy pawb wedi cael, like, meddwl hwnna, like, beth bydd yn digwydd os rydych fi'n kidnapped a just cael ei lladd. Yeah. Mae ddim yn neis. Mae ddim eisiau hwnna digwydd. Do you fear the concept of an afterlife? Na. Yn gobeithio am rhyw fath o afterlife. Do you have loved ones? Yes. Do you care for animals? Ydw. Dwi'n caru anifeiliaid. Level complete. Oh! Perffaith. Trio cael y golau ar fy gwyneb. Oh! Next time we're in 10 seconds. Weiry golau. Really, which one? Babi neu ci? Rwy eisiau gwrangen dewis ci. Sorry, dim babi. Oh! Press space if you can't handle the audio. Alright, rwy'n tough. Rwy'n gallu cael unrhyw beth. Oh! Nice heavy bass. Oh, what fun. Ar un rhyw fath o can! It's like down straight in. No. Ow, Duffy. I'm gonna walk on. Huh. Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm sitting on my rune and just like a madly just for blooming ysgwydd. Oh, hyn yn neis. Ah. Mae'n hoffi'r sign hyn. Yeah. Nice aderyn. Un nesaf mynd I bod yn... Mae'n un peth. Clywed rhywun yn anadlu. Oh! Oh my god! What the hell? Wait, what am I doing? I can eat it! I just got away from him! Oh! Fi ddim hoffi'n hwnna. Iesu mawr. Beth oedd hwnna? Oh, yes. Come on. Come on, pub. Level 4 complete. Easy. Let's mynd. In the next level, dig Eiliad. Oh. Alright, ni gallu gwneud hyn. Ddim yn siŵr faint o levels mae o'n, ond ni gallu cyrraedd y diwedd o hyn.
Decapitation, 5 counts of manslaughter and cannibalism. They call him the murderer from hell, and he's right on your doorstep.
Oh. Sweet dreams. Ie, diolch yn fawr. Mae wedi cael sweet dreams ar ôl hynna. Oh my days. Oh. Nawr, os mae ar y bloody doorstep fi, mae gen i sword fan hyn, os mae'n dod mewn. Mae'n i cael e. Sweet dreams. Diolch yn fawr. Oh, roedd hwnna'n cool. Roedd hwnna'n creepy. Oh. Mae bloody radiator fi jyst wedi... Radiator fi jyst wedi gwneud fi neidio. Oh, yes, i mor. O, roedd hwnna'n y fierce assessment, pawb. Roedd fi'n joio hwnna. Roedd hwnna'n eitha cool. Concept diddorol iawn. Rhyw creepy, like, government testing. Roedd yr, gwallt ar fy braich. Ar y dawr o chwarae hwnna. Ar y darn efo'r sain hwnna. Roedd fy gwallt fi gyd syth lan. Oh. Roedd hwnna'n creepy. Ond ie, os ti eisiau, unrhyw eisiau cymryd y fear assessment am ei hun, mae'n ar itch.io. So, check fe allan, bydd link yn y description. Ac ie, oes gen unrhyw awgrymiadau o gemau Arswyd rydych ti eisiau gweld fi chwarae, roi nhw yn y comments ac gweld ti gyd yn yr un nesaf. Hwyl fawr.